Google just released something most people are going to ignore until they see what it actually does. Their AI Studio API is free to use, and you can build fully custom client portals with it in about 20 minutes. White label, secure, professional grade, no code, no monthly bill. And at the end of this video, I am going to show you the exact prompt structure that makes the AI treat itself like a coding team instead of a chatbot. You are going to want to stick around for that. I am Paul James. I show solo operators and freelancers how to use free AI tools to replace expensive software and actually make money doing it. If you drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below, I will reply with a link to a free training I put together for you on how I use AI tools like this one to make money. Here is what nobody is talking about. Most client portal platforms charge you somewhere between $30 and $90 a month just to host a branded dashboard for your clients. That is before you have landed the client, before you have delivered anything, before you have made $1. You are paying a subscription tax for the privilege of looking professional, and the funny thing is, the platforms that get recommended hardest in this space also happen to pay the biggest commissions to the people recommending them. Just something worth knowing before you hand over your card. I know what that pressure feels like. I was working out of my brother's garage trying to build something with no budget and no clients. A $90 monthly bill before the first invoice arrived was not something I could absorb. That is exactly why tools like Google AI Studio matter. You get the same capability with zero recurring cost. What I am about to show you is something I call the self-assembling portal framework. It is not renaming Google's tool. Google AI Studio is the engine. The self-assembling portal framework is how you configure the AI to act like a development team instead of a question-answer bot. You are basically instructing Gemini to write, test, and deploy code autonomously. That changes everything for someone who does not know how to build software but needs to deliver like they do. Let me walk you through it. You start inside Google AI Studio. It is completely free. No trial period, no credit card. You are building on their API at zero cost. First thing you do is open a new chat and configure Gemini with what I call a role stack. You tell it exactly what it is: a senior full stack developer, a UI designer, and a systems architect all in one. That layered instruction set is what makes it output production-ready code instead of generic boilerplate. You describe the portal you need: client login, branded dashboard, data visualization, file upload, whatever the service requires. The AI starts generating the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript in real time. It structures everything. It handles authentication. It writes the back-end logic. You are not touching code, you are just telling it what needs to exist, and it builds it. Here is what that actually looks like for someone offering web design as a service. 1 session. Custom client portal built in under 30 minutes. Branded header with the client's logo. Login system that actually works. Dashboard showing their analytics or project status in real time. That deliverable used to require a developer charging $2,000 or a SaaS subscription eating $90 a month. With Google AI Studio, it costs nothing to build and nothing to run. That is a $1,500 one-time setup fee built on free infrastructure. Let's keep building. Most people stop once they have the basic layout working. Here is what happens when you go one step further. You configure the portal to pull live data. If you are running SEO for a client, the dashboard shows their keyword rankings updating in real time. If you are managing their Google Maps presence, it displays review counts and citation progress. The client logs in and sees their results without you sending a single email. That automated reporting capability is what most agencies charge an extra $200 a month for. You built it in 20 minutes using a free API. Now, most people take what I just showed you and try to hand it to a client. That is where it falls apart. There is one security step you have to handle first, or it looks amateur. I am walking you through that right now. The portal needs to be deployed somewhere the client can actually access it. Google AI Studio generates the code, but it does not host it for you. You have 2 options. You can use a free hosting platform like Netlify or Vercel. Both have free tiers that handle small client portals without charging you $1, or you can embed the portal directly into the client's existing website if they already have hosting. Either way takes about 10 minutes. You upload the files, you configure the domain, the client gets a clean URL, they log in, everything works. No monthly SaaS bill, no platform lock-in. You own the code, they own the experience. Think about a marketing consultant managing social media for 3 local restaurants. Every week, she has to compile performance stats from 3 different platforms, drop them into a spreadsheet, and email the client a PDF. takes her 90 minutes per client. She uses Google AI Studio to build a custom portal for each restaurant. The portal pulls engagement data from their Instagram and Facebook accounts automatically. The restaurant owner logs in once a week and sees everything: post reach, follower growth, engagement rate, all in one place. She charges each client $300 a month for social media management. The portal is part of the service. It cost her nothing to build. The hosting is free. She just eliminated 90 minutes of manual reporting every single week, and the clients think she is running enterprise-level software. And listen, if you have not already dropped a like and commented below, do that now. I will reply with a link to a free training I put together for you on how I use AI tools like this one to make money. And if you want to see what my day looks like now that tools like these handle most of the heavy lifting, I have a vlog channel linked in the description below. Or think about someone offering custom knowledge bases to small businesses. A plumbing company has 15 employees who keep asking the same questions. How do I file an expense report? What is the process for ordering parts? Where is the safety checklist? The business owner is tired of answering the same thing over and over. You use Google AI Studio to build an internal knowledge base portal. Employees log in, they search for what they need. The AI pulls the answer from the company's existing documents. You charge a one-time setup fee of $1,200 and a $50 monthly retainer to keep it updated. Most knowledge-based platforms charge the business owner $200 a month minimum. Your version runs for free and you keep the margin. Okay, I promised you something at the start of this video. Here it is. The exact prompt structure that makes Gemini act like a development team instead of a basic chatbot. This is what separates a generic output from something you can actually hand to a client. You open with the role stack I mentioned earlier. You tell it, you are a senior full stack developer with expertise in client portal design, user authentication, and dashboard visualization. Then you layer in the constraint. You say, build this using only vanilla HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. No external libraries, no dependencies. That forces it to write clean modular code that deploys anywhere without breaking. Then you describe the deliverable in plain terms. Client login system, branded dashboard showing X, Y, and Z. Data visualization for A and B. File upload section for C. The more specific you are, the tighter the output. Finally, and this is the part most people skip, you tell it to write the code in separate files. One for structure, one for styling, one for logic. That makes it easier to debug and customize later. That prompt format gives you production-ready code every single time. Imagine what your next 30 days look like once you have this running in your stack. You are not paying monthly fees to deliver dashboards anymore. You are not locked into a platform that charges you per client seat. You are building custom portals on demand. Every single one is white label. Every single one is yours. The client sees their data live. You collect the retainer. The infrastructure costs you nothing. If you drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below, I will reply with a link to a free training I put together for you on how I use AI tools like this one to make money.